We have to tolerate everybody and accept everybody. These are the universal principles of the world today. Once again, if I come back to the fact that Rabbul Alameen, which I so accept, not Rabbul Muslimeen, Rabbul Alameen, and even Rabbul Alameen, from the eyes of the telescope Galileo, not the eye that you can see, but the eye that science has taught you to see today. When that computer says that this is not enough, I am ineligible, I cannot see the vastness of the universe, then only one can come to the fact and humanity of the smallness or the weakness or the meekness of an individual. When we look upon us in the concept of the universe, and that through the Galileo telescope, then only can we count back and consider ourselves that how human we need to be, how humility is our only hope, and how unity is our only rescue remedy with us. Unity among religions, unity among the country, unity beyond regions. The world today is going through a very strange phenomena. We see riots in places like Britain, where poverty is not the cause. I have a whole list of things that the government of the day has done for you, whereas I acknowledge that what they have done, I do not accept that this is all that needs to be done. Much more needs to be done for the communities that feel that they have been neglected in the 64 years of their evolution in Pakistan. Pakistan, per se, we are still evolving. Our democracies are still evolving. We need to find a place. It will take time. And patience is a virtue. Patience is what I ask of you. Yes, we know. I lost my wife. I lost the mother of my children. You have lost Shahbaz Bhatti. We have lost many Shaheeds. We have lost